Hey guys, Brandon here from Florida Outdoors RV Center here in Stuart, Florida, and I'm here to show you this Georgetown by Forest River 270. This is a very unique model. Some really great features. Here in the living area we have nice dinette. Pretty big. Double door fridge. Here to the left of the fridge we have our slide out pantry. Some more storage here for clothing. This coach is a little smaller overall, but packs some really great features. I would say it is geared toward the couple. You could have maybe a visitor come in and sleep for a night or two, but this actually looks to be a king-size bed, which for an RV this short is pretty cool. We have day shades and night shades on all the windows, or at least these back windows. The front windows, of course, we have like pull down shades and then automatic shade up here up front. And then we actually have a bunk type bed here. Let's see if we can get it open for you. Give me 1 second. Alright, so it just unlatches, comes down just like this. So now we have that fold down bed. So you could actually sleep about 5 people here. 4 to 5. Alright, so here in the kitchen area, nice solid surface countertops throughout. Nice storage. We have our stove, our nice big microwave oven, and we have our TV here. Cool thing about this TV is it's actually part of the door for the pantry behind it. So easy access to everything, and then you can also put more food or whatever else you need back there. Then it goes right back down. It's got some magnets to hold it down. Moving in the bathroom, 4-flush toilet by Dometic. Your sink area. Nice closed-in shower. Storage on the right. Alright, let's take a look outside. It's a little windy, so forgive the noise. We have frameless windows, LED lighting underneath the automatic awning. Of course, we have side cameras to keep you safe on the road. Nice full view windshield. Nice super slide here with slide topper. Slide topper is really great. It keeps your slide from any water damage long term. Alright, one of the coolest features is here in the storage area. This is pass-through storage, but one thing you don't normally see on a Class A gas is the slide out storage area. So I'll show you that this thing slides out all the way, which is pretty cool. Alright, if you have any questions about this RV, feel free to call us at 772-288-2221. We'd be more than glad to answer any questions you may have about this RV or any RV we have on the lot. Thanks and have a good day.